Welcome to Joan's Junk Journals and more. Happy June! Can you believe that May is gone already? What did you get accomplished in May? And what do you plan on doing for June? Okay, I will show you what I did for May. And then I'll tell you what I hope to get done for June. So I finished my kitty cat diamond painting and sealed it. I finished my horse diamond painting and sealed it. And this here is for the challenge from KY Philly. #horse25. That was for the month of May. Then one evening, Lola and we each did one of these bags with a kitty on it, the diamond painting. I still need to seal it. And if you check my community post, I have a couple events coming up, including one of these. Okay, now, let me see. I'll go with this one. Is from Dollarama? No, from Dollar Tree. And she is a little over 6 inch by 6 inch. Then I had to change the one arm 3 or 4 times before I liked it. This is what it looked like, and it looked really weird with those white ones there. Okay. Then I started off with this set. This was a gift from Miss Southern Belle. Make Market. So I did the Chichen Itza already. And I just love the sparkles in the clouds. Then I started the China wall. And I also started this one. This one was from Dollarama. Cutie Pie had it and did a video on it, and I thought, oh, I do need that one. But isn't it beautiful once you start putting the diamonds on? Okay, going to what I want to get done in June. I want to finish this one. Then I want to finish the Great Wall of China. And these other two. This is from Easter Island. The Ahu Akive, I think is how you say it. And then this one is Stonehenge in the UK. I'll show the picture again. It looks a lot better in this picture than here, but once you get them done, oh my goodness, this looks so much nicer than that picture now. Thank you again, Miss Southern Belle, for them. Then an event in May, I'll be doing, these are tiny little canvas bags that I got from Dollarama. So what I'm going to do on one of the days, anybody else that can pick up one of these bags, come up on the panel and let's paint together. So I'm going to paint the bag. I don't know if I'm going to use these little markers or whatever that they came with. And then after the paint is dried and cured, I'm going to put on some glue. And then I'm going to diamond paint over it. And I plan on using it for a journal cover. I might use this one for a journal cover, but I really like that one for a journal cover. Now there will be a challenge between Star and Diamond Granny, and it is called Beautiful Women, I believe, or Women and Girls. So I actually got this one from the thrift store for a whole $3.50 Canadian, and it came with all of the diamonds. So I will be doing this for the June 2025 challenge with women. And if time allows, I would also like to finish this one, or do this. This one is a Thomas Kincaid Diamond Dots. And I also got this one from Miss Southern Belle. And it is 16 by 12 or 40 by 30. And 42 colors. And no, I never forgot about junk journals. I never could forget about junk journals. So June, for the 12 by 12 junk journal challenge 2025, I plan on finishing some of the junk journals that I have started. And I will also work on this one, the junk planner that I've been making. Maybe I might color a little bit more here. Add some more stickers. A couple more pages here that I forgot to put in throughout the months. And I actually missed from the beginning of February, all of March. So and then April, here it is. And May, I'll go through that later on. Now, plans have changed for the cover of my bead journal because I could not get the leather strip that I wanted. So I'm going to use this placemat that almost looks like leather. Purchased it from Dollarama a while ago. And I believe if I cut careful right down the center, I can actually make two covers. And I want it to kind of fold over, so there'll be the front. And then the back will come up, maybe. We will see. And then, so I have all of these other papers here. And my stickers. And a whole lot more stickers inside here. A little bit of fabric. I don't think I'm going to use this fabric. I'm not sure. Some lace. Little bee stuff, ribbons, and I think I have my papers in here. Here's some of the papers that I'll be putting in the journal. Now for my faith journal, faith and prayer journal, I started earlier this year, but I needed these two books to finish them off. So I'm going to put some of these pages in. And then from this book, now these were either from the swap tent or the thrift store last year. Then these ones actually came from Dollar Tree last year. Listen to good advice if you want to live. Proverbs 15:31. Godliness guards the path of blameless. Proverbs 13:6. So I'll put a few of these in. Then I have a few digitals. And as I'm working on the journals, when I'm working on this one more, I will list all the links to these little digitals here down below. So I have some of the pockets, some of the journal cards, everything already made. Some of them are already decorated a little bit. Cut out, inked, stamped. Actually, I think this one was one of the Michael's papers. And then I'm going to put some of these prayer cards inside. I got these ones from Dollar Tree last year. And they're different on each side here. Then a friend gave me these, so I might put the blessed one on the journal somewhere. And another friend gave me these little rub-ons. I think these are rub-ons. No, these ones are just clear stickers. So I'll probably put some of these in the journal too. And I thank you for watching. I love and I appreciate you all. And I look forward to spending June with you again, between journals and diamond painting, and cooking. If there is a recipe or something that you would like to see me do, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you and have yourself a wonderfully blessed week.